You can send a screenshot of the current view on your screen to anyone through the internet using the Send feature in PlanSwift. This makes it easy to share ideas and information with subcontractors, coworkers, or anyone else you work with. To start, click the Send button on the ribbon bar. This screen allows you to send your entire plan or a screenshot of what's currently visible on your screen. Sending plans is covered in a separate video. Select the Send screenshot on the right and click Next. You will now see a preview of the image to be sent. Click Next to proceed. This screen is to specify your email settings and who you want to send your screenshot to. First, enter your name in the name field and your email in the email address field. Below, you have a section for recipients as well as a contact list. The recipients list determines who will receive the plan information that you are sending. The contact list allows you to save a list of those that you send plan information to often, so that you can quickly add them to the recipients list. You can add a recipient by simply typing their email address in the Send To field and clicking the Add button. You can also just drag and drop any of your pre-saved contacts from the contact list. Once you have entered the recipients that you want to send the screenshot to, click Next. This screen allows you to type a message that will be sent with your screenshot. This is useful for comments such as the due date for the bid, notes explaining the screenshot, and so forth. Click Next. Now you're ready to send the plan files. Just click the Send button and PlanSwift will begin transmitting your screenshot. While PlanSwift is transmitting, you can continue to work in PlanSwift. You will be notified by a pop-up message once the sending process is complete.